Alright, where are you, giant? Where'd he go? Where the fuck did he go? Oh my god, that motherfucker ran away. Oh.
Yeah, Nick going at it, Si. Yeah, take him down, Nick.
Oh god, so many.
Nick, whooping.
There's two.
Nick be open a can.
Oh god. I'm not ready for this.
Yeah, boy. Wrong one, son.
Oh.
Yep, boy.
Oh god.
Nick about to get the butt whooping of a lifetime. Need to regenerate, son.
God. I was really hoping this would be easier than it is right now.
You're dead, son, if you're not careful.